See, my suggestion is you should initiate a talk. You please show us what you people are doing.
Okay,
you invite all of us. We will come there. We will spend a few hours, no problem. Or so. Let's understand what is there. This will result in a lot of interdisciplinary exercises.
We have developed instruments for earthquake like analog seismograph, digital cassettes, all are being used by Indian Meteorological Department. Around 80-90 units are operation in their observatories.
Shobhadip, have you ever visited Chandigarh? Are you aware of Dr. Mittal?
No, sir. No. I'm sorry.
I'm telling you very frankly, their PR is very poor. We from SASA used to just walk into their lab and get crushed. But they will not invite you.
So many projects are
PR is very poor.
My request to you is, please, I will forward all the email addresses to you.
Okay, sir. Yeah. I will send an email.
You can say,
yes,
it's an open invitation.
Yeah,
it's an open invitation.
Those who are here, they are most welcome to visit.
Most welcome, sir.
There should be some salesmanship also. See, you have to say.
Okay.
One instrument we have supplied to IIT Kanpur also. Okay. They are being used for research and education purposes. So similar things should be carried out so that a student can understand what is the philosophy, how it records, how it acts, and some courses should also be included in the educational curriculum.
Good afternoon to all. I am Dr. Sharma from Singareni Qualities Company Limited. Next slide. This is located in Andhra Pradesh, covering 4 districts, and with a production of 53 million tons per annum, we are giving and we are meeting the need of the total entire South India by producing the coal to the thermal power stations and other fertilizers like factories. And the thing is, while doing this mining, both in the underground as well as open cast, we are facing many problems. So, as an industry, on our own, we have developed our own geotechnical technology methodology in doing the geotechnical mapping in underground mines as well as in the slope stability issues in open cast mines. So, this is all what we did. Now, like CIMFR and NIRM, they have seen our work, they appreciated, and they are using our work also as input for their projects. Now coming to the present proposal, next slide. So we did so many things. We understand the caving behavior of the roof strata, RMR studies, failure of slopes in open cast projects. So rock testing, we have a rock mechanics lab, as Dr. Singh said. The proposal from rock mechanics, yes, this is the proposal I make from the rock mechanics. Because institute stress measurements, we have validated the mapping data, whatever we did, geological mapping in underground mines, and we have derived the stress orientation. And we conducted hydrofracturing tests to establish the institute stress direction as well as its magnitude. And we published a paper and we presented in the recently held Canadian Institute of International Workshop. The stress direction we established in the Godavari Valley coalfield based on our underground mapping and the test data we have generated from the hydrofracturing. We validated both the things and we found that there is a little variation. It is about 5 degrees variation in the direction what is coming. So, with this experience, now the present proposal, what we made is, it is so coincidental that having this session today, it is about 2 months back, 3 months back, we moved a proposal of SND project to submit to the Department of Science and Technology. Our coal mines, they come under CMPDIL. So, under the coal production and coal safety, mine safety. So, through Department of Science and CMPDI, we are submitting, sir, to the Department of Science and Technology. Our directors, they appreciated the idea because already we have a data bank, and with this, we want to extend. We consulted international experts like Professor Rummel, who is the father of the hydrofracturing test, and for the entire Godavari Valley coalfield, we want to establish the stress direction. Once if we can establish the stress direction, for any virgin blocks, wherever we are going for a mining, we taking into consideration of the stress direction, we can orient our openings in underground mines, so that it will be very advantage for the mine planners and mining engineers to get the production at without any risk involvement. Roof walls and many accidents. We would like to collaborate with Dr. Manji.
Yes, thank you.
Right. I think
Please invite him
Yes.
to your place
Yeah.
and submit a proposal.
Yes, sir. Sure. And in fact, in
Do
this,
and Dr. Maji.
This proposal you are submitting to DST or to the Ministry of Coal for submitting it to IS TAC?
the procedure what we are following in the coal mines is we have to make a proposal and we are submitting it to the CMPDIL, sir.
Okay.
CMPDIL, they in turn submit to the DST, sir.
They have an interministerial stack where CMPDIL is, the DST is on the board of that advisory committee. Science and Technology Advisory Committee. There is a of the Ministry of Coal in which CMPDIL brings the proposal and DST representative also sits.
Okay.
That is the arrangement.
Thank you, sir. And another one more issue, sir, here. Having this data bank and everything of our own, we involved CIMF Dhanbad and NIRM. We wrote letters to our director, wrote letters to directors of both the institutions to contribute, to involve themselves as sub-implementing agencies. So this initiation already we have taken, and I invite, taking the advantage of this August gathering, if any subject experts are available to join us for the project, I welcome all the experts, sir.
One is sitting there and one is sitting there.
just to add one thing, I was involved in hydrofracturing test when I was in AMIL. So actually in different projects, I was actually have done some tests of hydrofracturing. So I have some experience as far as field test is concerned. But mapping and all may be new to me, but I can be involved.
Hydrofracturing test we were getting through Messi India. Messi India people, Professor Rummel being a German, from him this Messi India, A.K. Roy has taken over this organization and they are doing the hydrofracturing test in all the projects. So if somebody is there to conduct the hydrofracturing test, we are most interested, sir. We want to contact you. So that is another one more important point to be taken into consideration, sir. And I know that NJ, Norwegian Geotechnical Institute, with the interaction of NIRM, they did lot of work on the rock mechanics and all these things. So I feel whether NGI can also contribute, help us to run this project. That is one issue, sir. And finally,
Write down and send all these things or on the questions list which I have given to you.
Yes.
Yes. That will be more useful.
Sure.
And send me an email also.
Sure.
I will translate to all of you.
Sure. Thank you. And finally, what I want to add here is only point. This research proposal will be helpful to the mine planners and mining engineers to achieve their targets, set targets, with the safest orientation of the underground workings to the reference to the principal stress direction. So it is a benefit for the miners, mining engineers, mine planners, and everyone, sir.
So
Thank you.
Now I expect a proposal from Dr. Maji in collaboration with
Sure, sir. Welcome.
It's very soon. Very, very soon.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, everybody. Myself, Dr. Tejpal Singh. I'm from CSI in Bangalore, and I'm basically a geologist who works on earthquake surface deformation studies. So I have been working in this for last 10 years. Maybe you can go to the next page. Yeah. So these are some of the